Guys, what's going on? Super excited for this RC. Of course, I'm Mike down, and my RC corner is a little out of commission. As you know, if you follow the channel, I'm making a slow transition and moving my stuff from the house into the shed. So it'll be Mike coming from the RC shed, Mike's corner. However that will sound. But guys, Hoonigan truck from Team Associated. I am stoked. And this is a great RC, as you all know, and I'm sure there's already 1,001 unboxing and videos about this here on the YouTube internet, but I am still just going to do a brief here. Now, if you watch back a couple videos or so, you'll see I made the big trade, and I scooped up a trail truck SCX4, and I also got the Hoonigan. So the Hoonitruck is awesome. It's already been run. It's used. You can see there's some little scratches here and there, but it's practically almost brand new, you'd think. And I'm just going to show you what it's all doing here. So the shell, of course, is awesome. It's got like this roll cage support bar in the back. Stickers peeling up. It does come with stickers. Just kind of put a little bit of glue on that. Awesome detail on the motor. These actually side mirrors are bendable, and still more stickers there's to go. There's the license plate and other things, but the bare minimum stickers are on, and that's real neato. We'll just cover all that too quick. Comes with a set of drift tires, so this thing has been drifted. You get some spare parts. You get an extra spur gear. I'm not sure if that's a SpEEd gear. I'll have to read the manual. Of course, the manual is all right here, and you get some extra spare parts. I'm not exactly sure that everything's in here because I just got this truck and have to take it all out. You can see the sticker sheet still gotta go, and if you can read that, it says Ford, and I'm a Ford guy right now. I drive a Ford F-150 in real life, and so it's nice to have another Ford in the family. Right on. So looking forward to putting the rest of the stickers on this thing too. So we have here the RC itself. We got the rubber tires on. Everything looks good. We got a castle system on this truck. The on-off switch is there. Brushless motor. Everything is looking good. You need to run a shorty pack in here. It looks like we got a pretty much sealed receiver box over here, and then this is pretty much similar to a on-road car, of course, so not much travel in the shocks. Very beefy diff boxes here, very beefy. Everything else looks good. Foam bumper on the front. We got plastic chassis, so it does have some flex. Of course, hex throughout. There's a shorty pack in it. Dean's connector. I'm not sure if it came stock Dean's or the previous owner switched it over, but everything looks really good, and the plastic is solid, what you would expect from something from like Team Associated and stuff like that. Of course, the servo is standard, lies down here, the steering bar, and it's got a real beefy steering rack, which I like too, because if you're gonna be torquing this thing hard, you want some good steering response and stiff there too. So all looking good, and everything is kind of in a good spot. Easy to get to, easy to service, and that's a little overview of what's going on here. And last thing we're going to touch is the radio. Pretty standard fare. Of course, bottom 4 AA's going, nothing down here, and then you got some features up here. So you got your reversing throttles and steering, and then you got dual rates here for steering and throttle. So pretty good stuff. Some trims and dual rates. So real cool. Foam wheel. It's a bigger radio. Feels good in the hand. Pretty basic stuff. No antenna. So it's the XP120 standard 2-channel radio. So pretty basic stuff, but it feels good. So pretty pleased with everything. And next part of this video, we'll be getting this sucker outside. We'll be running it on 2S and shorty pack, and let's get on to that footage next. All right, sit tight. Welcome back to the running part of this video, guys. Of course, we got the Hoonitruck out here. It's a beautiful fall day. It's breezy. The leaves are falling off the tree. There are leaves on the road. Some of these might get caught underneath the RC, but we'll try our best to give you a bit of a show of what this can do. Of course, this thing comes with running rubber tires for road runs and also drift tires. And just been giving this a little go, trying to trim out the steering a bit. And I'm noticing that even these road tires, well, they gotta warm up a little bit, but it's still in the 70s today. It came out of my basement. She really drifts around pretty good on the rubber road tires. We have my handy dandy radar system here, so we can maybe do some speed runs. And certainly she's got some get up and go, and I like that. We're running on a 2S shorty pack here. That's what fits in this vehicle. So let's bring it around. So far so good, very responsive, as you can see. I am noticing, I did get this used, that it's having kind of trouble figuring out which way it wants to go for straight. I'm wondering if the servo horn needs to be tightened or if it might be a little bit stripped, because I trim it out one way and it wants to go the other way. So I'm really going to have to be hands-on keeping it straight for now, and we'll investigate that after we stop the video. But so far so good in handling this thing. See what we can do here. But you know, it's an on-road package and it goes pretty quick. So let's take a little, oh, hit a stone there. You have to remember, this is like an on-road vehicle, so the clearance is not that high. So any rocks or big stones, we got 51 on the clock there. I'm not a full throttle yet, so 51 kilometers is pretty good. Let's get this sucker up on the driveway as traffic goes by. All right, let's continue on. So this thing is got really cool power. It's of course 110 scale, and once you kind of get it going, it really starts trucking. And she really likes to slide when you get the brakes on. Let's see if we can wind her up. 49. So we're gonna be hitting in that 50 to 52 range, I think. And I'm sure you can certainly gear this up. It's got a castle system in it. 52 there on the radar. So yeah, it is what it is. Definitely meant for speed rips. I'm quite positive you could put a 3S in here and make it actually super crazy. 54. Whoa. That thing must have slid 20 feet. A lot of fun. It's a high quality RC and a lot of fun for the road. Let's try and see what we can do. It's got a lot of power in reverse. Let's see if we can what we can do drift wise. This is also built, we can see it kind of drifted on the rubber wheels here. It kind of grabs more in the front, so you don't get the true drifting, but you can definitely get four-wheel drive. You get the back end out and she will fishtail, that's for sure. And you get on the brakes and she will slide a while. So you want to definitely keep this.
Where you get that from? Amazon?
No, hobby shop. Yeah, guys, the postman wants to know what's going on with the RC. He wants to get one for his son. I don't think he'll want to get this one this fast. I want to know if it came from Amazon. Anyways, we're gonna wrap up the video here. As we see, the Hoonie goes pretty quick, feels fast. Gotta take a little peek at the the radio system here and why this thing isn't straightening out. It's probably could use a new servo horn. I'm sure with all the torquing with the drifting and drifting with the rubber wheels, stressing out probably a stock servo or servo horn. So we can do something to improve that. That's a minor fix. Looking forward to that. Always thanks for tuning into this, guys. Always happy to do stuff for you. This is a fairly new model. Yeah, it's been out for quite a few months, but still it's in, I think, the last half year this thing's come out. And it's Team Associated. It's a great platform, of course, always known for their racing buggies on the racing circuit. Big sponsorship there. But it's good to see that they also have monster truck and these recreational type vehicles. A lot of fun, guys. Always get out RC. Thanks for tuning into this, and hope everyone gets a chance to have fun with the RC hobby. Take care, peace out, and we'll see you soon on the next one. All right.